Hey guys, it's Skip from 24-Hour Pet Spa, and I'm standing here with a new batch of orders that are going out to the U.S. Yes, we have officially opened into the U.S. market, and it's going to be one of the biggest investments and the greatest investments for 2026. So for those investors that are looking for that ideal investment, something that doesn't take a ton of time, something that doesn't take an awful lot of work, and you can still do your other things during the day to build that residual income. So what makes a good investment? Something that's going to be able to be done with a minimum amount of effort, that's going to pay itself off as quickly as possible. This sounds like something that you're interested in. Comment ROI in the comments and I'll send you a breakdown.